In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create nature videos with Leonardo AI Mobile. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. Once the app loads, tap on Generate to enter the creation area. This is where you'll set up your video and choose the options that control how the final result looks. At the top of the screen, check whether you're in the correct generation mode. If your app opens to image generation by default, tap Image Gen at the top and switch to the video generation option. If it's already set to video generation, you can simply leave it as it is and move on. Next, tap on the model selection area. For free cinematic nature movement, choose Motion 2 Fast or Motion 2. These models are great for generating scenes with natural motion, such as flowing water, drifting clouds, swaying trees, or a slow cinematic camera glide. Picking the right model here can make a big difference in how smooth and visually appealing your video feels. After that, tap the settings icon. In the settings menu, go to the dimensions panel and select 16:9. This gives you a standard widescreen landscape format, which is ideal for most video platforms and generally works best for scenic nature content. While you're in settings, you can also customize the video quality. Higher quality may give you a better looking result, but it can also affect generation time, so choose the option that best fits your needs. Now tap into the text bar and enter a vivid prompt. Be specific about the environment, the time of day, the weather, and the camera movement you want. For example, clarity in your prompt helps the AI better understand the kind of scene you're trying to create, whether that's a misty forest at sunrise or a mountain valley under soft evening light. Once everything looks good, tap Generate and wait about 1 to 2 minutes for the video to compile in your feed. When it finishes, you'll be able to review the result and see how your nature video turned out.